Hello friend, welcome back to Cozy Decor YouTube channel. So today we are taking you through a collection of kitchen design ideas that feel simple, calm and easy to live with. Kitchen come in many styles and this video so design that can work for different homes and different needs. As you watch, just relax and enjoy the flow of ideas. Actually, the kitchen is more than just a working space. It is a place where daily life happens. Morning tea, quick meals, and family conversation all start here. That is why a kitchen should feel comfortable, clean, and pleasant to use. So, if you like watching peaceful home design videos like this, guys, please like the video and subscribe to Cozy Decor YouTube channel. Your support really motivates us to share more simple and cozy ideas with you. Now let's slowly look at the design in this video. Some kitchens are designed for small spaces while others are more open and spacious. But you know what? Every kitchen here focuses on ease of use and a neat look. A well-planned kitchen always feels better no matter its size. Many of these kitchens follow a clean and simple layout. The cabinets are placed in a way that make daily work smooth. You can see enough counter space for cooking and storage space for keeping things organized. This is kind of planning makes the kitchen feel stress-free. Color choice play a very important role in kitchen design. Light color help the space feel open and airy. Soft shades create a calm mood and make the kitchen look fresh. That is why many modern kitchens prefer simple and neutral color. Some kitchens use natural finishes to create warmth. Wood textures and soft tone make the space feel welcoming. Actually, these designs help the kitchen feel less formal and more homely. They are perfect for people who enjoy relaxed atmosphere. Storage is something every kitchen needs. Guys, smart storage helps keep the kitchen clean and easy to manage. Closed cabinets hide clutter while open sections keep daily item within reach. This balance makes the kitchen practical and good looking at the same time. You will also notice different shelf styles in these kitchens. Some design use open slabs for quick access. Others use closed cabinets for a clean and tidy look. Choosing the right storage style depends on how you use your kitchen every day. Lighting is another important part of a good kitchen. Soft lighting makes the space feel calm and comfortable. Bright task lighting help during cooking and cleaning. When lighting is planned well, the kitchen feels more pleasant to work in. Some kitchens in this video are compact but very smartly designed. They use space carefully and avoid unnecessary elements. Simple layouts help movement feel easy. Even small kitchens can feel open with the right design choices. Larger kitchens allow more freedom in layout. They might include extra counters or more storage areas. These kitchens are ideal for families who spend more time cooking together. They also create a feeling of openness and comfort. Not every beautiful kitchen needs a big budget. Good design is about smart decisions, not expensive items. Simple cabinets, clean finishes and proper lighting can make a kitchen look premium. Actually, less design often feels more comfortable. As you watch these kitchens, try to notice two small details: the way slabs are placed, the way colors are balanced, and how the space feels overall. These small things come together to create a cozy kitchen. You can always take ideas and adjust them to suit your own time. A kitchen should support your daily routine. It should be easy to clean, easy to move around, and easy to enjoy. When a kitchen feels simple and organized, cooking feels less tiring. That is the real beauty of good kitchen design. So guys, take your time and enjoy these visuals. Imagine how these ideas could work in your own space. You do not need to copy everything. Just pick what feels right for you. Thank you so much for watching Cozy Decor. If this video gave you new ideas for a calm feelings, please like and subscribe. We share cozy, simple and modern home design inspirations regularly. Stay connected with Cozy Decor and we will see you the next video.